Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman record seventh time making a budget speech today, the first budget presented by the third NDA government after winning the Lok Sabha elections. In the budget session, Nirmala Sitharaman introduced Finance Number 2 Bill 2024 in the Lok Sabha. After the presentation of Union Budget 2024-25, Sitharaman introduced the bill in the House. She also presented a statement of estimated receipts and expenditure of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir for the year 2024-25. Sitharaman made major announcements for Bihar and Andhra Pradesh, including a boost in infrastructure and special financial support. She also announced abolishing angel tax for all classes of investors in startups. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman in her budget speech proposed creation of employment of about 4.1 crore youth over the next 5 years. Towards it, the Finance Minister has made an allocation of 2 lakh crore rupees. Similarly, for skilling the citizens so as to generate job opportunities, she proposed 1.48 crore rupees. 20 lakh youth will be skilled over a 5-year period. A total of 1,000 industrial training institutes will be upgraded, she announced. Finance Nirmala Sitharaman said the Union Budget 2024-25 carried an allocation of more than 3 lakh rupees crore for schemes benefiting women and girls and promoting women-led development during her presentation of the budget in the Lok Sabha on July 23rd. Nirmala Sitharaman said the standard deduction in the new tax regime will be increased from 50,000 rupees to 75,000 rupees. As a result, the Finance Minister told Parliament salaried employees can save as much as 17,500 rupees in the new regime. She said, provide salaried individuals with higher tax savings and more disposable income. In addition, deduction on family pension for pensioners will be increased from 15,000 rupees to 25,000 rupees. Under the new regime, those earning under 3 lakh rupees a year are exempt from paying tax, while those earning from 3 lakh rupees to 6 lakh rupees to pay 5% income tax, 10% for those earning from 6 lakh rupees to 9 lakh rupees, 15% for 9 lakh rupees to 12 lakh rupees, 20% for 12 lakh rupees to 15 lakh rupees and 30% for above 15 lakh rupees. Meanwhile, the budget session has proposed to cut the customs duty to 6% on gold and silver. Moreover, the Finance Minister has also proposed to reduce customs duty on platinum to 6.4%. However, there will be no custom duty for lithium, copper, oxygen-fused copper and cobalt in the new budget. The same will be applied for capital goods used in the construction of solar cell and panel. Union Finance Minister also announced for the construction of industrial parks in 100 cities across the country. Sitharaman also announced the sanction for construction of 12 industrial parks under the National Industrial Corridor Development Program.